Okay, there you go. It's recording.
Oh, okay.
Now just watch me.
Here he is. Mini Evel Knievel.
It has no volume.
The other side's better because you got the Honda and the wings on this side.
You're gonna run out of video before you ever get moving.
It has 12 minutes of video.
Oh, okay.
I have it on YouTube.
Get a good look at the ride.
Oh, I forgot to what to do for a second.
Go that way between the trucks. Pull the clutch in.
I didn't want to do it because it jumps a little, so I didn't want to hit anything.
It won't jump when you have the clutch pulled in.
No, when I let it go.
There you go. Can't see the screen on this thing with the damn.
I know, that sun, I can't see what the hell I'm taking a picture of either. Yeah, he's getting the hang of it.
I don't remember which one was the zoom. It's 130.
If she knows we were out here and just to say hi, she'll freaking know
I can't figure out how to zoom it.
Let's see. It says should be on the top. That's mine. That's where mine's at. No, this one's a little different. I'm not sure.
What?
He's trying to figure out how to zoom it.
Oh, it doesn't zoom.
Oh, see? It should. Oh,
It
yeah,
does
it zooms
It
somehow or
doesn't
another.
zoom when it's recording.
Oh.